Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm here with another fun quick crochet video for you today, and it's actually how to do the crab stitch ending. I've seen this all over crochet and it's a beautiful way to finish off your pieces. So I've just done a simple granny square here and finished it off with the crab stitch ending, and you can see all the way around it just creates a beautiful edge that will finish off any project, whether it's a blanket or maybe a circle, or I don't know, a square. It's a really nice edge to do, so I thought I'd teach you it today. It's super easy and super quick. So I've got my selected yarn. I'm going to be using the grey to finish off my other square, but I've got some grey and yellow yarn. I've got a crochet hook and a pair of scissors just to chop off my ends. So go ahead and grab any yarn that you like, any project. You can do squares, circles, blankets. Your project may be a lot bigger than mine. I'm just finishing off a granny square, but you may have a blanket that you want to finish off. But go and grab that and I will teach you how to do the beautiful crab stitch edging. Okay then, so here I have a yellow granny square, and just around the edge I've just worked a round of double crochets, of course working 3 in my corners. So what you just want to do is, with your project, make sure that you have a row of double crochets or treble crochets just all the way around, so that it's super easy to continue this crab stitch edging. I've just changed colour to this grey just so that you can really clearly see my stitches and the contrast between them, and then we can begin. So all you're going to do is, this is really easy. Crab stitch edging actually works the opposite way. So it works in the clockwise direction, with your crochet piece. So usually with this you'd work all the way along round like this in an anti-clockwise direction, but to complete the crab stitch edging we actually need to work the other way. So we have to train our brain to work the opposite way. So all you're going to do is work a double crochet backwards, which may sound really confusing, but it's actually really simple. So you're going to work into the next double crochet along, so not this one that your stitch is coming out of, but just this next one to the right of this. And all you're going to do is insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, so you have 2 loops on your hook, and yarn over and pull through 2. You will end up with your stitches kind of being twisted, but that's how you get the effect. So you're going to work along this way once again. You're going to bring your crochet hook down through that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Working again, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is literally all you are going to do along the edge of your row. So it can be a little bit fiddly because your stitches are twisted the opposite way. You kind of have to get used to that. But once you got used to it, it's really simple, and as you progress along your row you'll end up getting this really cute twisted kind of spirally thing along your edges. So as you can see, I'm moving my crochet hook up and then moving it down into the stitch like so. But one way that you can do it is actually bring your crochet hook down like so, if I can find my stitch, through my stitch, yarn over and pulling it up like that. You can do it like that, but for me, for my preference, I prefer to work downwards like this, yarning over and pulling up a loop. So I've just turned my corner now, so it will be a little bit easy to show you, I think, along this row. So just like so, working into every single stitch. Obviously the opposite way around can be a little bit confusing. Working down, yarning over, pulling up, and then pulling through 2 loops. So hopefully you've got that now. If you haven't, don't be worried to rewind the video, pause the video, have a practice. It's super simple when you know where you're going and which loops you're pulling through. Just like everything with crochet, practice makes progress. So I'm going to go ahead and work my rest of my round, and I'll meet you back when I've finished that and I'm on my last stitch. Okay then, so I've just repeated that all the way around, and you can see my grey is the crab stitch edging. And if you can see, I don't know whether my camera's picking it up, you can just see how spirally effect you get. It's a really, really gorgeous edging technique for crochet, and I absolutely love it. With these granny squares, with these 2 colours, it's absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, so for our final stitch, I'm just going to slip stitch into the first stitch. So all you're going to do is down and pull up a loop, but without going through, you're just going to go through that loop again, just like a slip stitch, like so, to finish it off. Chain 1 and cut your yarn and pull through. So hopefully you found that video really, really helpful and you were able to get the crab stitch edging. One thing I would mention is your tension. Just make sure you're not going way too tight and too restrictive, because your work will bunch up and that's not really what you want. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. I hope you were able to learn how to do this beautiful crab stitch edging. Bit of a mouthful. Hopefully you've been able to add it on to so many more of your crochet projects, whether it's blankets, granny squares, circles, coasters, anything like that. It's a perfect little stitch edging to go around to finish off your crochet pieces. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a like if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions or comments that you may have. If you have any questions about this video, I will be happy to answer them in those comment section down below. Also, subscribe to my channel so you never miss any future content. Go and check out my past content if you get the chance. Some of my crochet tutorials, a Q&A maybe, a knitting tutorial if you are a knitter. But thank you all so much. Also, if you get the chance, do follow me on Instagram. There will be a link in the description box below. I'm also at hooks.andneedles1. I post more exclusively there, you know, more of my personal crochet projects and things that I'm working on at the moment. So thank you all, and I will see you very soon with another tutorial. Bye, keep crafting and have fun.